Hi folks, Tim here from High End Cheap Tech, and whether you know it or not, one of the things I do when researching new budget items, I have this list of 8 reviewers I trust on the website. If you go to the channel, you'll see it. It says what I watch or who I watch. All 8 of those guys are reviewers I trust, which means I'm stuck pretty much every day when I get home. I watch every one of their videos, whether they be on a drone, a tablet, a smartphone, a scooter. It doesn't matter, because tech is tech, and I just want to make sure they're still on the line, giving us good info. So today I got a notification. Chris over at Tech Tablets, he posted up this coming up right there. Yes, the Note 7 from Redmi. Hadn't found a hands-on yet. I've been going nuts trying to find one. I found a lot of those, Chinese reviews and, basically advertising for the company kind of reviews. But this is a hands-on from somebody I trust, who actually I can understand and puts words in. I ran into a ton of reviews with just music and pretty pictures that didn't tell us a damn thing, and they usually got a thumbs down and a rather abusive comment saying buy a blank microphone and tell us something. Don't feed us crap. So I'm just suggesting you read his reviews or watch his review, just letting you know there is a hands-on this thing finally, and he'll give you all the benchmarks like these. Pretty cool. And that is about all I have for this evening. This is a public service announcement. I will link his video in one corner and the one I did on the 3 phones that I see coming down the pipe. All that being said, have a great night. Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up, leave some feedback, subscribe to the channel. Good night.